Gupta ji.
Like all of us do. I've told it 40 times, I love you.
I would say the same way because that's how simple it is.
Say it. We want to hear it. Say it.
I love Rahman sir's music and I love the person that he is.
Wonderful. Round of applause for Shraddha ji. Moving on to The Voice. Javed Ali साहब. Javed ji कैसे हैं आप?
जी मैं बहुत अच्छा हूँ सिद्धार्थ, आप बहुत अच्छे लग रहे हैं.
Thank you so much. जो जैकेट आपने मेरा borrow किया है, शौक मत बना देना.
Or have you tied up with some international brands?
No, these are all our own proprietary technology. That's where our pedigree comes from. Over the last about 10 years, as I said, we are predominantly in.
I want to see you all.
Wow. You want to say something to each of your fans in Ahmedabad? They're going to be expecting you. What is coming from your heart which you'd like to tell them now?
Buy the tickets and we will, and we have a lot of stuff to give you.
With that smile, you get a free ticket. My lady, thank you so much. Moving back to Mumbai. Agla prashna kaun पूछने वाला है? The gentleman in the middle, lady in white.
We have an association for almost the last 5 years. And it's been there in the back of the mind. Murli has always been saying that, I really want to get into the other end of the job, which is not only being associating us with technology, but also becoming a producer. So I think sometime 6 months back, we kind of started this discussion, and the preparations have now been beginning in full gear since the last three to 4 months.
Yeah, can I ask a question to Rahman sir?
You can. Just give us a smile, a Rahman-ish smile. How nice. You can ask 4 questions now. Chalo.
Yes, Rahman sir, you were talking about your school where you're training a lot of, children who are poor and all that. If you find them that they are really talented, will you ever give them any chance, to sing or to compose music for your productions?
Many students have already sung. Now, Abhay, who sung for Mani Ratnam's movie, was a KMMC student. And they were involved with me in the Oscar Sangamam. They performed on the pre-records. And then they were involved with the whole tour with the German orchestra, Babelsberg. And so they've been a part of our music for the past 3-4 years. And many singers are like Mugdha, who's very popular now on YouTube. And she's become a composer too. So a lot of success stories, and which is very gratifying.
Thank you, sir. All right, we're going to take our last set of questions now. Our last question from Kolkata, Ointika.
Okay, Priyadarshini, she's from Prabhat Khabar. Yep.
Hello, Priyadarshini. How are you?
Hi, I'm totally fine. So my question is for Rahman sir. Sir, I have been getting a news that you have announced to establish Western classical music in India. So what is your concept and idea behind it?
As a country of 1.3 billion odd people, we still don't have a proper orchestra. Like if we want to do film music or we want to perform for national games or anything, we don't have our own orchestra with our own people in it. And this requires a bit of Western training. And the Western training is to excel in harmony and counterpoints and all this stuff. So they can play our own music in future, like what we do in films. Films have classical tumris and classical tunes which has orchestration and which has harmony and everything. So to develop that, we need that kind of training, which is Western classical training. And so that was the motive for the whole KM Music Conservatory, the initiation of that. And we also teach Hindustani and we teach Sufi music, many other things.
Thank you so much, ma'am.
Siddharth, I'm so sorry, but I'll intervene. Actually, there are a lot of people who want to ask questions, and there's a request. I know I will not get this opportunity again.
See, what is the name, sir? What is her name? She wants you to take her name.
Once, please.
Baby doll.
No, Oyontika. Oyontika.
Okay, say it. Come on.
Ayontika.
I don't believe this. She actually said it. Thank you so much. I love you.
Yeah, I
Thank
took your
you.
name 45 times. No reaction like that.
I don't love you. I don't love you.
Arey yaar, this is not fair, yeah. Oyantika, thank you so much. You've been a
Thank
great
you,
host. Round of
Siddharth.
applause for our host in Kolkata.
Thank you so much. Thank you so much.
And all the members of the press.
Thank you,
And
DP.
the singers were there. Round of applause. Come on.
Thanks, Ashdeep. Thank Vijay Prakash, Ranjit,
Applause for
Javed.
all of the
Thanks a
three.
lot. Somebody
Acha,
speak?
now, Oyantika, we have to move to our...
Yeah.
Acha,
I
thank
know,
you.
I know.
Rehman
Bye-bye,
sir wants to say
Rehman
thank
sir.
you.
Bye-bye.
You were talking. Okay, no problem. Thanks to everyone.
I'm so
Thanks,
sorry
guys.
again, but then there are a few requests. They want to ask questions. So would you just take another question? Because you took two from...
Go on. Yeah.
Hi, my name is Ratnadeep. I'm from Times of India. Hi, Rahman sir. Love and peace.
Hi.
My question is, my question goes for the musicians. It's not for the singers actually. You have brought on many musicians like Orenthal, Michael Jackson's guitarist, for Rockstar. Will we be seeing those types of musicians in these concerts?
I think we have a great lineup of musicians. I mean, they are world class. And we are still yet to confirm a couple of musicians out there. But then we have Ranjit, we have Naveen, we have all of us. So in the whatever lineup of songs we have the best musicians to support that.
Thank you, my friend. Very good question. God bless.
Thank you.
Oyantika, we can't say no to you. Are we wrapping up there, or is there any other question?
No, we're done here. Thank you, Siddharth. Bye-bye, Rehman sir.
Deepak, Murli sir, and Rehman sir would like to say bye to them as well.
Thank you very much, Aman.
Yes, Deepak sir and Murli sir and Rehman sir and Siddharth, all of us saying goodbye.
Thank you so much. Thank you. Kolkata, the tour is going to be happening there.
From the Week magazine. I'm also a big fan. So the question is there anyone in the Indian or the international music scene which you see as competition?
I don't see as competition at all. In fact, when somebody performs well, I'm really happy. And when there were a couple of YouTube videos I saw, and I was really, and I think the level of evolvement has gone much higher now, and the more the merrier. We have so much of people, and they would love different kind of music and art.
Thank you so much. Mihir, last question, my friend.
Good evening, sir. My name is Mihir Joshi. Just wanted to ask you, the super band that you formed with Mick Jagger and Joss Stone and all of that, could we ever see you bring them down here and perform in India? That'd be amazing.
That's like all the stars meeting together. I think it was like the song Miracle Worker. It was a miracle that all of us came together. And the music has been received really well, and the royalty statements show that. And hopefully, I think if we are all free, I think we'd probably do more of that.
Thank you so much. Our last question, Vashisht, from our friends from the media in Ahmedabad.
Not the last, but we have Ashmita Joshi from Nirmal Metro, sorry. Ashmita Joshi.
कैसी हैं अश्मिता
Hello,
आप?
sir.
How are you?
Hello, sir. My question is for Rahman, sir. And sir, what is your advice for the new artist or struggler?
That's basically a question for people like me. What is your message for strugglers like us?
I think if you are very passionate in your art and become the best, you don't have to struggle at all. I think people will come in search of you. And that's my advice, I would say.
Wonderful. Way to go, sir. Thank you for being so motivating. Vashisht, are we wrapping up?
We have one question.
Hi, Siddharth.
Arre wah.
Hello, Siddharth.
Ma'am, you have to look
Say
into the
hi,
camera.
ma'am,
I'd like
I'm
to
a
see you.
girl.
Where are you? Hello, how are you?
Hi.
How?
Say hi now, I'm a girl.
Hi! I'm going to dance. Baby, ha. Pucho.
हाँ तो कर लो, but first don't make it last. Let me talk to Rahman sir, Deepak sir and Murli sir. Hi all.
Very good. Thank you.
Murali, you can also
Hi,
wave your hand.
Remansa. Thank you so much. Just give me a minute. I'm not having any kind of questions. I just want to request you one thing as you're coming to Ahmedabad. So it is my request. I'm a huge fan of yours. Like, मैं कभी किसी से भी बात करते हुए काम. Fine. On 27th?
Sure.
Paka? Promise?
Brahman sir, you have to promise. Yeah, she's asking you a promise. And put your hand on your throat and say.
I don't promise.
See,
I don't promise, but I
singer-
try to keep my word most of the times.
Thank you so much. Thank you.
But will you get him dhoklas backstage? You'll get him dhoklas backstage?
Khakra too.
Siddharth, do one thing. Do come over here to Ahmedabad with Rahman sir and we'll cook over here for you, surely.
Wow, she's going to cook, Rahman sir. You have to prepare a song.
Not
Thank you
for
so much.
For Rahman sir, actually.
Only for Rahman. Eh? Thank you so much. God bless you. Vashish.
The love, and I'm sure that it's going to be a great concert. And God bless you all.
And Ranjit.
Thank you so much, Rahman sir.
Javed and Shweta.
Yeah, I want to thank them for going there and supporting this concert. Thanks for your time, and thanks for putting up with me and him.
Thank you, Shweta, darling, and my brothers, Ranjit and Javed. Thank you so much, Ahmedabad. Round of applause. Ladies and gentlemen, it is truly an honor to have...